Hello, everyone. Today, we will learn some funny and common English mistakes. Many English learners make these mistakes. But don't worry. Let's learn together and speak better English. Let's begin. I am boring. I am bored. When you say, I am boring, it means you make others feel bored. That's not what you mean. If you feel bored, you should say, I am bored. He look happy. He looks happy. In English, when we say he, she, or it, we must add an S to the verb. So the correct sentence is, he looks happy. I have 25 years. I am 25 years old. We don't say, I have 25 years in English. That's not natural. We say, I am 25 years old. She very beautiful. She is very beautiful. Every sentence needs a verb. Here, the verb is missing. The correct way is, she is very beautiful. I didn't went. I didn't go. After didn't, we always use the base verb, not the past tense. So we say, I didn't go. I am agree. I agree. Agree is a verb. You don't need Just say, I agree. He can to swim. He can swim. After can, don't use to. Just use the base verb. So we say, he can swim. Open the light, turn on the light. Lights are not like doors. We don't open lights. We turn on the light. I am going to home. I am going home. We don't say to home. Just say, I am going home. He is more taller than me. He is taller than me. Taller already means more tall. So we don't need more. Just say, he is taller than me. She said me a story. She told me a story. We don't say a story to someone. We tell a story. So the correct way is, she told me a story. I am living in Colombo since 2010. I have been living in Colombo since 2010. If you started something in the past and it continues, we use present perfect continuous. So say, I have been living in Colombo since 2010. He don't like tea. He doesn't like tea. With he, she, or it, we say doesn't, not don't. So say, he doesn't like tea. I like very much this movie. I like this movie very much. In English, the position of very much is important. So we say, I like this movie very much. She can sings well. She can sing well. After can, we use the base verb. So it should be, she can sing well. I have visited yesterday. I visited yesterday. If you say yesterday, don't use have. Use simple past. So say, I visited yesterday. Thank you for watching. Learning English can be fun. If you made some of these mistakes, it's okay. Now you know how to fix them. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.